Hello guys. Hi guys. So today we are going to talk about all the gram-positive bacteria. So first of all, what are bacteria? So bacteria is an organism. It's a kingdom in the living kingdom, and yeah. So bacteria, these are small organisms which can live independently. And gram positive, this is a stain. Okay, so first of all, the gram stain is basically a stain through which we can identify bacteria. Okay, so the bacteria who take up gram stain are called the gram positive bacteria, and those who don't, they are called as a gram negative bacteria. Okay, so, what does it? What are the criteria for the gram-positive bacteria? So this gram-positive bacteria, they are the bacteria which have a thick peptidoglycan layer. Okay, so they have very thick peptidoglycan layer. So that is why, so that is why the stain, that is crystal violet. Okay, it so. Mm. So the crystal violet, they become purple. Okay, the bacteria, they become purple. Okay. Now, talking about the shapes of the bacteria, so we have basically three types of shapes: bacilli, cocci, and branching filaments. Okay. So in case of bacilli means rod shaped. Okay. Cocci means spherical, and branching filaments like filament type. Okay. So bacilli we have the aerobic and anaerobic. So what is the meaning of aerobic and anaerobic? So aerobic means it can survive in presence of oxygen. Okay, and anaerobic means it can like it can survive without in the absence of oxygen. Okay, so in aerobic we have the Listeria, Bacillus, and Corynebacterium. Okay, and in anaerobic bacilli we have the Clostridium. Okay, so we should the bacteria, all the bacteria are important. Listeria, which causes listeriosis, Bacillus corynebacteria, which causes diphtheria in children. Okay, and anaerobic in Clostridium can cause various types of diseases called maybe botulism, maybe tetany, maybe pseudomonas, or maybe gas gangrene. So these are the diseases caused by the Clostridium. Okay, so that brings us to our next classification of bacteria. So cocci. Okay. So cocci, they are all aerobic. Okay. So it means that they can survive with in the presence of oxygen. Okay. So further classification we make on the basis of availability of a catalase enzyme. So what is catalase enzyme? It is basically the enzyme which converts hydrogen peroxide into water and oxygen. Okay. So when we apply this, when we take the bacteria and put it in the hydrogen peroxide solution, the water and oxygen, they bubble out, and oxygen is bubbling out. So we can identify that bacteria as a staphylococcus. Okay, so because it is catalase positive, as you can see, this is the catalase positive. Okay, catalase positive. Okay, so staphylococcus is staph is a catalase positive. Okay, and catalase negative step stepped catalase negative, catalase positive staph. Okay, so now we will discuss about staphylococcus. Okay, so staphylococcus, we have the coagulase negative and coagulase positive bacteria. Now, what the flip is coagulase. So coagulase is the enzyme which coagulates the blood. Okay. So in blood we know there are many various factors which can coagulate, like fibrinogen, okay, like platelets. So if the bacteria has a coagulase enzyme, okay, then it is called as a Staphylococcus aureus. Okay. And if it doesn't, then based on the no biocin antibiotic sensitivity, we divide the bacteria into Staphylococcus epidermidis and Staphylococcus saprophyticus. Okay, we should learn about the Staph aureus. Very important, very important bacteria is Staphylococcus aureus, and these are less important, but these are also asked in the exams. So prepare well. Okay. So first priority is Staphylococcus aureus, and then this Saprophyticus and epidermidis. Okay. ठीक है. So now coming to the catalase negative. Catalase negative means they do not have catalase enzyme. Okay. So the bacteria which comes under this category is a Streptococcus. Okay. And we divide the Streptococcus according to the um, hemolysis. Okay. Like how much of hemolysis can the bacteria produce? So we have alpha hemolysis, beta hemolysis, and gamma hemolysis. So alpha means partial hemolysis, beta means complete hemolysis, and gamma means no hemolysis. Okay, so in partial hemolysis, we can see if the bacteria is sensitive to the optokin antibiotic, it means that if we put the bacteria in the octokin antibiotic solution, the bacteria will get killed. So the bacteria is called the Streptococcus pneumonia. Okay, so this is also very important kind of bacteria. Okay, Streptococcus pneumonia. Okay, which is encapsulated. Okay, and if the bacteria is resistant to this optokin antibiotic, then we call it as a viridans strep. That is called as a Streptococcus viridans. Okay, which is encapsulated. Okay. Now coming to the beta hemolysis is complete hemolysis. Like they have the hemolysis. Okay, hemolysis is basically the enzyme which causes the degradation of hemoglobin or RBC in particular. Okay, so complete hemolysis, beta hemolysis. So bacitracin. If the bacteria is sensitive to the bacitracin antibiotic, then it's called as a Streptococcus pyogenes. Now this is also very important. Streptococcus pyogenes, Group A. Now this Group A and Group B, we divided into the on the basis of the serology. Okay, like what antigen property do this bacteria have? We divided into Group A, Group B, Group C, Group D, Group E, Group F, and there are many more, 20 of them. We are not going to list them all, but uh, but the main thing is that when I say Group A, uh, beta hemolytic bacteria, so I refer to as a Streptococcus pyogenes. Okay. Now if the bacteria is resistant to the bacteriocin antibiotic, then we call it as a Streptococcus agalactiae, Group A. Okay. Now coming to the gamma hemolysis. Gamma means no hemolysis. Like it doesn't have hemolysis. Okay, hemolysin enzymes. Okay, so yeah. So when we grow this bacteria in 6.5% of NaCl solution, so if the bacteria gets killed, it is called as a enterococci. That is a group D. Okay, and if it doesn't, then it is called as a non-enterococcus Streptococcus bovis. Okay. So that brings end to the cocci bacterial classification. Now coming to the branching filaments. So branching filaments, we have the aerobic and of course anaerobic. So in aerobic we have the nocardia. It's a type of bacteria. Uh, Okay, and in anaerobic we have a actinomyces, which is not acid fast. Okay, so you can find the video of this all the bacteria in my live stream. So do check it out, and thanks for watching and subscribe. Okay, and an important notice to all of you is that I'll be starting the pharmacology lectures soon. So stay tuned. Bye bye. Thank you. Thanks.